Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how I clean the anal sac in my dog. On physical examination his anal gland was full, so I decided to squeeze it completely. Dogs' anal glands are present at 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock positions bilaterally. On rectal examination they will feel like grapes. Anal sac secretion should be watery and the color should be like honey, but this one is very abnormal. Those who all have dogs, please make sure that your dog's anal gland is not full. If it is so, please get it cleaned by professionals, because regular cleaning can help prevent lot of complications. Now I am cleaning the anal region with a cotton dipped in povidone iodine. And finally, to eliminate the odor, I am spraying pet perfume on that area. It smelled so good after that. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you all in another video. Till then, take care and bye.